In this video, we'll show you how you can generate automatic captions for any video on your PC using Canva. So first head to your web browser and then search for Canva Captions. Now here select the first result, that is add subtitles to video. Now here you will first need to upload the video that you want to add captions to. So simply select this button. So Canva will open your video in a design like this. Now here select your media and then go to this captions option on the left. Now here you will see a bunch of styles. You can select the style that you want and then change the colors from here. Finally select generate captions. Now simply wait for a couple of seconds and the captions will be added. Now by default the font size may not be enough, so you can change it from here. Here's how your captions will appear. So as you can see, it is also syncing with what I'm saying in the video. Once you are satisfied, you can download the video from here. So simply click on download, set the highest quality and then select download again. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.